This video is a quick update to Windsurf's pricing. I shot a video recently of Cursor versus Windsurf where I showed the pricing, which with Windsurf was super strange, and I recommended that they change it. Looks like they have changed it. So they had these weird flow action credits, which basically for every prompt you used about 5 of them. And so really that was the bottleneck. You had basically 500 premium model requests, but you could really only do about 300 because of this limitation. And then for 4 times you only got double, which didn't really make sense. So they took away the flow action credits, thankfully, and with their latest pricing, you get the 500 credits per month, which is just prompts, and then the flow action credits goes away. There's no upgrade to a higher level except if you go here, but there's not really any reason to do that when you look at the pricing per credits. So you can pay an extra 20 bucks and get the same amount of credits as the enterprise. It still is a bottleneck, and overall I still think Windsurf is a better tool, even though it will be more expensive. You can go through 250 prompts pretty quickly. However, you're incentivized to kind of stack your prompts here. There's a balance here where you don't want to stack too many prompts in one. And by that, I mean by giving multiple instructions, because the quality will go down. You don't want to give it too many things, but there are a variety of tools and some recommendations. I'll put a link below to the video that I gave on how to get the most out of big prompts, long prompts. I gave some recommendations also in the Cursor video as well that talks about prompting that will be more applicable now, because before the flow action credits were the real limitation, and now you can do this. But if you're doing a lot of coding, you can run through these credits pretty quickly. But this is a much more reasonable plan, in my opinion, than what they had before. So props to Windsurf for listening. I think this is a very good change. And I don't blame Windsurf for not giving an unlimited like Cursor does, because I'm pretty sure Cursor's losing a bunch of money. They're actually trying to make money and build a sustainable business model, which I respect. So I don't have an issue with that. In their ability to manage the context window and to use your other code is superior to Cursor's. If you haven't seen my Cursor versus Windsurf video, I'll put a link to that below, and definitely check that out. Just the one thing that's different is the pricing. What do you think? Do you think this is enough for you to switch from Cursor to Windsurf? I'm curious. Let me know in the comments. Thanks. Bye.